Hi, Jeff here, and today I'm going to tell you how you can test your electric water heater to see if the elements work properly. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a voltmeter and check the voltage, and that will tell us if the heating element is good or bad. So first I have a voltmeter, and I set that to the 600 volt scale, and take the leads with the power still on the water heater. I'm going to touch on the top one up here, and there will this one is good, so there will not be a voltage reading because it's a closed circuit. Now the one down below, it read 240 volts because this one is bad. It is an open circuit. So when it's an open circuit, it's gonna be able to read the voltage. So next, I've already drained the water heater through the bottom valve here. I had a hose hooked up to it and drained it. So the next thing is to shut off the power. Make sure you have the power shut off. Remove the wires, and then we can use this wrench to fit over the heating element and remove it. Then make sure you have it drained first. And then I already have the new one, and I checked the label on the water heater to make sure that it's a 4500 watt 240 volt screw-in flange heating element, and this is what it looks like. So it might be a little bit different shape than the one that's in there, but this is what we're going to replace. So I didn't show you the struggle of getting the old heating element out, but it was in there pretty tight. It's been a lot of years. This has never been replaced before, so it was a struggle getting it out. And I'd spent $10 on this removal tool, and it started to bend a little bit, and it was only 10 bucks, but I say just save your money. This rod started to bend just a little bit, and I stopped right there because it was starting to tear up the corners of the nut on the side of this. You can see it's starting to tear it up right there. So I stopped right there, and I got a 1.5 inch socket at the auto parts store. My socket set, just a regular household socket set, didn't go up to 1.5 inches. So that was 10 bucks for a socket at the auto parts store, and just put that on the breaker bar, and I was able to get that loose. And so I put the new one in. I've got it wired back up, and I didn't turn the power on yet because what we need to do is turn the hot water faucet on, turn the water on, and let the tank fill up before you turn the electric back on, so you don't damage the new heating element. So you just let the water heater fill up, and then as soon as air stops coming out of your faucet, and I opened up the kitchen sink faucet and the bathroom faucet and bathtub faucet, just to let all the air out of the lines. And then once that was done, then you can turn the power on. So the power's back on. There's no leaks, and I've checked it out pretty good here. So we're going to put the covers back on and we're finished. And I just want to thank you for watching.